Two men said to be from Kingston were shot and killed by a gunman at a business place in Hanover on Tuesday night, hours after the Green Island police and other stakeholders staged a peace march. 3 other people were shot and injured during the gun attack. The identities of the deceased, who were reportedly employed as plumbers at a hotel construction site in Hanover, have not yet been disclosed. Reports from the police are that about 8 p.m. a group of people were at a cook shop in York Hill, Hanover, when they came under gunfire from a gunman who appeared on the scene. After the shooting subsided, 5 people were wounded and were taken to hospital where 2 plumbers were pronounced dead. Investigators from the Major Investigation Unit have commenced their probe into the incident. A man is now facing murder charges after reportedly stabbing his 74-year-old father to death during an argument at their St. Mary home on Saturday. Charged is 33-year-old Omar Fort of St. Mary, Portmore in the parish. Reports from the Portmore police are that about 3 a.m. Omar and his father Clovis Fort had an argument during which Omar reportedly used a knife to inflict several wounds to his dad. The police were alerted, and upon their arrival, Clovis was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. An investigation was launched and Omar was charged with murder on Sunday, August 6, following a caution statement. The police have taken a person of interest into custody following the death of 15-year-old Jamila Cole, who was killed by criminals during an attack at her Cotton Tree, Albertown, Trelawney home on Sunday. Cole's mother and cousin were also beaten up with wooden objects by the intruders. Reports from the police are that about 2 a.m. on Sunday, the teenager, her mother, and a cousin were at home when they came under attack by men who gained entry to the house through a window. The 3 females were taken to hospital where Cole later succumbed to her injuries. The police have not yet established a clear lead into the deadly attack.